Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is Wednesday, the 11th of July 2007. Early in the morning. London market opens about half an hour ago. I've just taken London Open breakout type of Triton cable. Again, that's the GBP against American dollar. I'm showing you now the 1 hour time frame. Have a look at what a lovely uptrending week we've had. Okay, every consecutive day making higher lows and higher highs. That's always a nice pre-entry requirement to have on your side when triggering a London open breakout type of entry, and also have a look at those moving averages nicely pointing up as well. Moreover, in the overnight session, the Tokyo session. Oh, let me show you the 15-minute chart for a clearer view actually. The token session, as I was saying, we've seen a very nicely defined channel, okay, with a triple top, okay, and a triple bottom defining the channel very nicely, as I'm saying, which is always very nice to see that well, you have a very tight Tokyo range. You have very clearly what's the level you want to keep an eye on, what's the level you want price to break out from, okay, and so like I said, this is definitely a nice setup, okay, for the time being. Entry as usual. Basically, here is where London market opens, and well, we've seen the breakout, okay, followed by the pullback, which is signified by that red bar down there. I know it's just a one bar pullback. Perhaps you guys cannot see it properly on the screen, but nonetheless, is definitely a pullback to retest the former resistance levels from above. Okay, that red bar is the one I'm talking about. And well, basically, as we after that pullback, we continue to the upside, pushing price north and making new highs for the day. That's exactly what I've triggered. I've triggered my short entry, my long entry at 202.92 to be exact. What else? The stop loss. Stop loss in theory should be placed down here right below the pullback bar, but it would be just 10-11 pips stop loss, and that's way too tight. In my opinion, 10 pips stop loss is unacceptable no matter the time frame you're trading from. Okay, any random spike, any barb on the chart will easily knock you out of the trade. Okay, so instead I've placed my stop loss below here. Okay, below this low. And what else? Oh yeah, the price targets. As you guys know, I like to place my targets right before hitting the next round number, because as I always say, they may work as a psychological support and resistance level. So like I say, that's the area I'm going to be exiting this trade, few pips below, perhaps at 2 or 3.45. Okay. Alright folks, that's all. I will keep you updated. Okay, bye bye. Hi guys, this is Hector again. Just a quick update to let you know that I'm taking some hit in this trade. As you see, the 20300 area, it's indeed working as resistance there. Entry level, if you remember, was right there. Seems like, well, definitely, yeah, I'm indeed taking some hit. Thanks to God I didn't place my stop loss down there. It was just too tight. Okay, it was just 13 pips stop loss. It's just too tight. Nonetheless, I'm not gonna let this thing go against me anymore. Alright, I'm gonna move my stop loss from here up to here. If price keeps going to the upside, good. If it decides to, well, basically dive back into the overnight range, well, I'm just basically closing out at a small, well, not that small actually. It's gonna be about about 25 pip loss, something like that. But nonetheless, like I say, I'm not gonna let this thing run against me much more. Okay, I'm not liking how we're finding some heavy resistance in there. Okay, how buy only we've bounced back off that level. So I reckon it's best if I cut my losses earlier than well than planned, than originally planned. Moving stop to here. If I get stopped out, well, so be it. But like I say, I'm not gonna give this trade much more breathing room. All right. Okay, guys, that's all. Bye bye. Hi guys, one final update just to let you know that I've closed out 1 minute ago my trade up there at 203.45 4 plus 52 pips in profit. Entry level was right there. This is the exit level. Price went against me up on entry. That's why I decided to stretch a little bit my stop loss, leave it down here, because in theory it should have been up down there, but it was just too short. It was about 12 pip 12 pip stop loss, and that's just way too tight. Okay, so decided to stretch it out a little bit farther down here, and well, upon having taken some hit at this junction of the trade, well, price, as you can see, began to move in my direction, in the direction of the overall bias for the week, which has, as you can see, has been definitely to the upside. Okay, that's the beauty of trading in the direction of the trend, trading in the direction of those moving averages, trading in the direction of the overall market sentiment. Okay, you know that well, you just need to wait for the right time to enter the market, manage the trade wisely, and the trend is going to well, basically do the rest of the job for you. All right. Okay, guys, that's all. Bye bye.